Okay, I've taken the covers off the top and off the side. On the top we look in, you can see that oil cup again for the cutter head. You can see adjustment screw for the infeed roller, and here you can get a little better picture of how the spring-loaded mechanism works for the infeed roller to allow it to go up and down. All of the various gears for the feed rollers, and gear reduction here to slow everything down. And again, everything has zerks, everything takes grease and in good shape. Get a little better idea on this side, again adjusting the outfeed roller. You can see the pressure bar and how it's adjustable to go up and down. Coming around the other side, again, gears for the rollers. The motor itself powers the cutter head, which powers the belt. Series of gear reduction down underneath here. Everything moves freely, everything takes grease. I'll fire it up here in a second and you'll hear it clanging a little bit. Just play. Play in some of the different various gears.